This is the future scarecrow. I have the wig here, which we're gonna place on the head, and I have used some special Pateks universal glue on the mannequin's head, as you can see on there. Why I want to glue it to the head? Well, for it not to fall off, well, if it's windy or so. So let's try it on. Alright guys, so now we are sticking the wig on the mannequin. Gluing it to the head so it stays there. I want it to be stuck on there. Why? Because if it's windy and so on, it should stay there and not be blown off on the scarecrow. So if you want to humanize your mannequin, the one from the clothing store, use a better wig. This looks more human. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, so doing some more stuff to the scarecrow. We need to do a nice makeup for her. So you can see this is a second hand mannequin, so we need to do some touch-ups on the face before we put it outside. So I have the lips to be colored now. I want to make them red. Now that works better, much faster, it's more intensive. So again, this is a permanent marker. Obviously you can touch it up after a while if the color wears down. Quite intense, the color. I like the deep red on that marker. So remember, we are not using a lipstick. This would be actually a waste of time for the weather condition. Rain, snow, hail, wind and so on. It would not last that long. You need to use something more permanent. Yeah, I think this works fine. Alright guys, take a look at this. Nice. Like the best lipstick. Intense rouge or red. Very nice. So a beautiful scarecrow is coming out. Can't wait to place it in the field. Varnishing the nails will make the scarecrow look even more realistic. Our beautiful scarecrow is ready to be moved to the outside, and what I need to do is dismember the dummy a bit to move it, and we're gonna set it up in the garden in the backyard. So take a look. Okay, that's the arm. Second arm. I will lift her up from the base, which is glass, and move her. Alright, as you can see, the beautiful scarecrow is ready. So she's gonna be here now in the yard, in the garden, standing and obviously scaring all the animals away. And it's kind of fun because, well, she doesn't look at all like a scarecrow. She's quite pretty, in fact, the dummy. And, well, the deer is gonna think twice of coming near the shrubs now. And this is a kind of nice, non-lethal way of actually scaring the animals away. Especially if we're gonna put some scent on the dummy, the human scent. I think it's gonna be even better. So thanks for watching, guys, and see more cool ideas on our channel. Again, this is a second-hand dummy which was used as a scarecrow in our yard. So the whole thing cost about $20, maybe $2 more for the robe from the second-hand store, and this is cool. I think the effect is really nice. So see our more films with cool ideas: the off-grid cabin, the motorcycle shed, the floodlight made inexpensive, a garden bar for a few bucks. So this is cool.